Today we will change the battery of a Google Nexus 10 tablet computer. It's already almost 10 years old, so the battery is dead. First of all, we have to remove this inlay here. You should use these special tools for it. It's made of plastic so that there's no damage to the tablet computer when you do this. Under this we have a few screws, 5. You now have to unscrew them. One is here. And here. Siehst du, dann geht das viel besser. Ich muss jetzt noch überlegen. So after the screws are out, we have to loosen the tablet. Here on the side, again with one of these tools. Das raus. Now it's open. And we now have to loosen these cables here and this one. First have to remove carefully this tape. This one here, and this one here. So to open this, you have to take this up. Now come here. So this one also. This is the connector. Here. How does this work? You have to fold this up. So now we take them out. So the battery has several screws which we will loosen now.
How many screws? So this big part here is the battery, right?
Yeah, here's the new one.
It's the same. This one will be in there.
Yep. The biggest parts of a tablet computer are the display and the battery.
Just have to be careful with the tiny screws, that you don't lose them.
Something fresh with the small hands.
As long as there are tools for that, it will be easier.
It helps a bit if you have a magnetic screwdriver. You know what the screws. Sadly, this one is not magnetic. No.
Feinarbeit.
Not a work for big German fingers. And always be careful, don't tighten them too much, because then you can easily break the screws.
Just enough that it is holding it.
Yeah.
Not too tight, not too loose.
And always be careful with these cables. They're sensitive. We put back the cables. The tape. Now we connect the battery. It doesn't fit 100% perfectly, as you can see. The cables are a bit bended, but it's okay. So. Before I now close it, I will first check if it's starting. Where's the power button? Starting. See, it's starting, so that means at least it's not, or the battery is working properly. So we will now turn it off again. Close the case again. Okay. After the test, we turned it off again. And now we will close it. This will be easier than opening it. So, just press it. So, just check that all the gaps are properly closed. And then we turn back the 5 last screws. Put this back. Take care that it is the same level like the rest of the casing. Now that's it. You turn it on.
I didn't try.
It doesn't feel. If we now check the battery, it says 42%. So that's it. That's how you change the battery on a Google Nexus 10.